In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Captcha verification on your Discord server. This process will help enhance the security of your server by preventing unwanted bots and ensuring that new members are verified before they gain access. So let's get started. First, open up your browser and head over to Discord. If you haven't logged in yet, now's the time to do so. Enter your credentials and hit the login button. Once logged in, you'll be taken to your Discord home. It's a familiar space, a hub for all your servers and friends. If you've already logged in, just navigate directly to Discord home. Next, select the server on which you want to set up the Captcha verification. You can find this on the left hand side of your Discord interface where all your servers are listed. Simply click on the server's icon to open it. Now that you're in your desired server, look for the app directory tab. This is where you'll find various applications available for Discord. Click on it and you'll enter the marketplace of useful Discord apps. Within the app directory, you'll see a search bar. Here, type in server captcha bot. This search query leads you directly to the right tool for our task today. After you've entered server captcha bot, press enter and it will show you a list of applications relevant to your search. From the results, find captcha.bot and click on it. This application is a key tool in helping you institute verification for the members joining your server. Clicking on it will take you to an option where you can add this app to your server. Look for the Add App button. This step is crucial as it integrates the Captcha bot with your server, allowing you to make use of its features for member verification. Once you've clicked on Add App, you might be prompted to authorize the application to access certain features on your Discord server. Grant the needed permissions, ensuring the bot can function effectively without compromising your server's security. And there you have it. By following these steps, you have successfully set up Captcha verification on your Discord server. This will help minimize unwelcome guests and ensure that real, trusted members are granted entry. It's a simple yet effective way to maintain a healthy and secure community. Remember, every now and then, check and adjust the settings of your Captcha.bot to suit your server's evolving needs. Thanks for joining us today. We hope you found this guide helpful. If you did, make sure to like this video and subscribe for more such tutorials. Take care and happy Discording.